So good morning, namaskar, adab, and one of the thing you learn in your life a bit late that every person has three, four things in himself. One basically is his body. If you keep your body healthy, it's always good because there's a philosophy called before 40 and after 40. Before 40, you have a lot of energy. You just pain your body, crush your body, grind your body, do a lot of hard work, and during that phase this hard work will always help you in building your strong mental muscles. जब आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, पेन लेते हैं, तो आपकी मेंटल मसल्स बनती हैं. सक्सेस से कुछ कामों के अंदर आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे, दैट विल गिव यू कॉन्फिडेंस. कुछ कामों के अंदर आप फेलियर होंगे एंड फेलियर विल गिव यू इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, काइंड ऑफ ए सेंसिटिविटी. यू बिकम सेंसिटिव टू स्टार्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग योर सेल्फ कि मेरी क्या गलती है, क्या अच्छा किया. जस्ट इमेजिन somebody scores 80% numbers or 90% numbers and his parents start telling him ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए. What would be his mindset? His mindset would be इतना अच्छा किया है, he will not be listening. On the second side, whenever you will fail, you will become sensitive, receptive to listen, and we listen ourselves, our own mistakes. We start introspecting, we start listening to our seniors. If seniors are not sarcastic, motivating, उनको help करने के लिए करते हैं तो और अच्छा हो जाता है. This is about the body. The body को पेन दो, माइंड तेज होता है. Because after 40, your body starts slowing down a bit. Naturally, the young body versus old body, there is always a difference. But during that phase, what basically sails you through? कौन सी चीज़ आपको आगे बढ़ाती है? आपका शार्प माइंड, आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है. But just imagine if you have not pained your body at the right time, तो आपका दिमाग तेज नहीं होगा. So naturally you will have all the trouble in a time when you need all the comfort, in the sense that you are responsible, you have kids, you have wife, you have so many responsibilities. उस टाइम पर आपका डाउनफॉल होना गलत है. And that's one reason learning is very important, and to learn you need to work a lot. Nowadays there is a culture of shortcuts. जल्दी से जल्दी सब कुछ हो जाए, whether my foundations are strong or not. And what happens in the end, later on, after 5 years, 10 years, that downfall starts. But people don't really look in these things. This is a very traditional way of thinking, but I think like that. I'm built like that. So one is your body, second is your sharp mind, and third is your energy. There is something in you. Some current is there, some energy is there in you. वो energy आपके हार्ट को चलाती है, आपकी बॉडी को चलाती है, आप जीते हो. जस्ट इमेजिन इफ दैट करंट इज गॉन, यू आर डेड, राइट? बट नाउ इमेजिन इफ यू हैव ए वेरी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, वेरी लविंग, वेरी हेल्पिंग, very understanding, very sensitive kind of energy. You will pass on the same to people around you. आपके colleagues को, अपने juniors को, अपने seniors को, every place. So when you enter a room, your presence is being felt. वो positive है तो लोग बोलेंगे अच्छा आदमी है. वो negative है तो people will be just afraid of you, will try to avoid you. I just give you example. You enter a waiting chamber of a doctor and you see 10 reps are there. Out of those 10 reps, 3-4 reps, you just go and shake hand, hug them. Maybe you are meeting them after 15-20 days. But what is the reason for that? Andar se they basically are radiating, giving signal of all the positivity, smile, welcoming. On the second side, there are certain people, they are neutral. उनकी एनर्जी बाहर नहीं दिख रही. On the third side, there are some people, आप उनको जानते भी नहीं हो, उनसे मिले भी नहीं हो, but you pass a judgment, आपका उनसे मिलने का मन नहीं है. You don't want to meet these people because they somehow are radiating negative energy. So what I just want to say, whatever is there in you, you will radiate that only. वो बोलते हैं ना कि वो कहानी है, you squeeze a ऑरेंज तो उसमें से ऑरेंज जूस निकलेगा. यू स्क्वीज ए मैंगो तो मैंगो का पल्प निकलेगा. यू स्क्वीज ए नीम, तो नीम का पल्प निकलेगा. So whatever is there in the end will come out of you. So be very conscious of that. Now, a lot of people are going, and I'm very happy, very proud that you are going to the new joinees home. Why? Because somewhere, some kind of emotion will just touch you. उनकी हालत देखकर, उनकी स्ट्रगल को देखकर आप याद करोगे एक दिन आप भी ऐसे कभी थे. उनके मदर, उनके फादर, उनके पेरेंट्स क्या स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. किसी को कैंसर है, कोई डायलिसिस के ऊपर है, किसी की माँ जो है ब्यूटी पार्लर में काम करती है, किसी की माँ गाना गा के करती है, किसी के फादर क्लर्क हैं, किसी के फादर बार्बर हैं, किसी के ऑटो ड्राइवर हैं. आई मीन दीज थिंग्स ऑनेस्टली मूव मी ए लॉट. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आता है और एक तमन्ना आती है कि मैं कैसे हेल्प कर दूँ. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट द सेम थाट प्रोसेस शुड कम इन योर हार्ट. आप हेल्प करेंगे ना, आपका मन करे कि मैं उनकी हेल्प करूँ, उनको ऊंचा उठा दूँ. आई टेल यू, once you start giving whatever you have got, affection, love, knowledge, you pass and you just vibe positive, wonders happen. मेरा हमेशा मानना है कि आप जूनियर्स को लव, अफेक्शन दो, वो आपके लिए जान देंगे. आप उनको सरकाज़म दो, बिटरनेस दो, डांटो, you'll receive the same thing. Think about this. These are extremely important things because ultimately our responsibility is just igniting enthusiasm, positivity in our junior, and then you give them a direction. They will follow it. You give best of the strategy, but they are getting negativity from your side. They will never follow. एक बड़ी famous quotation है. It says that culture eats strategy in the breakfast. If great culture is there, great things are there. If bad culture is there, strategies go in the dustbin. बेकार हो जाती है. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye. Take care.